Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Godzilla.exe. Kind of like a bizarro version of Godzilla. It's going to be pretty simple, I think. I'm going to try to draw this one as simple as I can. So it's going to be step by step. And if you're a beginner, you should be able to do this. So we're going to go through it, okay? Stay all the way to the very end of the lesson because this thing's only going to be like an 8-minute lesson. Really relatively simple and short. And that's pretty much it, okay? So hopefully if you like learning how to draw, this is a place to be. If you do enjoy all that stuff, hit the subscribe right now. It takes 2 seconds. And let's jump right into the lesson. Alright, let's get started on Godzilla.exe. Alright, so let's get going here. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over here and draw a flat front of the snout here. Out over here, down, kind of the top of the snout. Up at an angle a little bit, kind of going to roll into the eyes. Back. Along the head here, down. So this is like the skull area. And gonna roll all the way down. It's gonna be more of a vignette. Alrighty. People really like these EXE characters. It's funny. I mean, obviously, I think this is just like a made-up one, but it's online. Okay, back, down. I'm gonna go over here and go kind of that angry face and then pull out over here and then underneath here. Circle. Then I'm gonna fill in everything around the circle, which is like a big part of the EXE characters. I'm gonna go here the nostril, just put like a dash right there to fill it in. Back. In. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a line down here underneath, down, underneath here, up, curve, line underneath, line underneath here for under the neck. See, he looks so different without his spikes and teeth. So let's go into the teeth, all right? Right there, just a simple triangle shape, and just try to vary up the sizes as you go down. Just vary it up. And then over here at the edge, you're gonna hit the that skin flap on the side of the mouth, which I still don't know the name of. Try looking it up, it's got a really difficult name. And now let's go over here on the bottom and do the teeth on the bottom here. If you like learning how to draw, I mean it's pretty cool to do that. It kind of activates your brain. It's fun for you. You get to learn new things. You get to improve yourself a little bit every day. If you like that, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification here. I post 3 times a day, and I'm pretty active, very active. I post 3 times a day, and I post a story every day as well. So, yeah, there's nothing you can lose. There's no losing. Just hit that subscribe, bell notification, boom. It takes less than a second, and you're going to be able to see on, on your feed, like what I'm doing. I'm going to draw the line over here for the back teeth. And so what I'm going to do here is I want to make his fire breath. But I'm going to make a different version of it here. So there it is, like the fire breath. But I'm going to double it up right here. I'm going to double up the line on the jaggediness that I did. And then on the inside, I'm going to fill it in dark. Normally it's like blue, but I'm going to fill this one in dark just to emphasize the EXE part. Right on. I think this marker's a little not great. Let me go over here, use another one. Alright. Right on. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Let's go down here under the neck. By the way, if you like this kind of EXE stuff, hit that subscribe, okay? I'm sorry, why did I just say that? Hit the like, forgive me. Go down here underneath his neck, and it's gonna go down here. See, like his arm over here on this side, and maybe his shoulder on this side. Alright, let's go to the... There's a line right here. A lot of lizards have it on the right side of the neck. But let's go to the spikes. So small spike right here, 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 here. And you can put some smaller spikes over here in this area, right? Because it's kind of layered on. And curve lines over here for texture. Everything else from this point on is going to be texture. Like, seriously. Like everything, pretty much. You can go around this area, and there's going to be texture over here. Over here on the eye area, right? Yeah, above the eye. You know, the thing is, when you do these texture things, you really need to make a thinner line, because a thinner line registers as detail as opposed to a thick line, which registers another, you know, like just another part of the character. Yeah, you want it to register as detail. Put like a dark line here. You know, there's like a shadow there, just kind of to ground the character. But yeah, everything else is going to be detail. You can draw these curved lines here, little tiny curved lines, to make it look like scales. Right on. But yeah, anyways, hopefully you enjoyed that. If you did, I'm gonna actually, I might do a little bit of color. I'm not sure yet. I might do a little bit of pass of color here. Not, you know what I might do? No, I was gonna say, yeah, I might do a little color. I'm not really quite sure. Maybe I will. I was thinking about maybe making his spikes black on his back, but that might be too much. You know what? Yeah, let's do a couple, because I'm trying to figure out how to make him look more EXE. Let's put like a thick line in there. Like a thick line. I'm doing this marker, by the way. If you do this in pencil, I guess you could do kind of the same thing. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot, actually. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate it. You know, say hi to me in the comments. Also, take a share of the video if you did enjoy it to support the channel. Share it with a friend if you know anyone that kind of likes this sort of thing, that likes drawing lessons. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Hey,
For those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.